everybody, welcome to Country Girl, and today we are going to take down the peas that have dried out. We're going to harvest the dried out peas for seeds for next year, and we're going to take this trellis completely down. We were out in the garden in the greenhouse. I got all the vines cut down. I pulled pods off of the vines. And it's 100 degrees out there. It's the middle of the day. Even with everything open, it's super hot. So I'm inside and I'm shelling the pea pods. And you notice they're kind of a brownish color. You have got to look really careful on the vine to make sure you get them, because they blend in with the dead leaves very easily. All you have to do is pop them open. I prefer to pop them open over a piece of paper because to see the seeds come flying out. And these are your seeds for your peas next year. Okay, now we got them all separated. The seeds went into the cups, the pods went into the compost, the empty shells. So this is what we've got. You can see where the line comes just to this line. That's what we got for the sugar snaps. And for the super snappy, we got all the way up to here. And we'll compare that to a package that's never been opened. We're going to pour it into here. Now this package I paid almost $2 for. If I can get it open. And as you can see, it does not even come up to the first line. It's right here. So I got doubles my money's worth on this one and just almost double on this one. Now there's one thing with peas is that they're an open pollinated plant. So I had these on opposite ends of the greenhouse. So they may and may not be true to what they originally were, but they're still going to be edible. Now there's one last thing I like to do before I store them away, and that is I like to pour them out onto some newspaper and just leave them air dry for a day or two to make sure that they're completely dry before I put them away. And I will be putting them into a paper envelope, label them as to what they are, so make sure you keep your labels with them, and storing them for next spring. Now the ones I just opened out of the package, I'm going to soak these and I'm going to plant them. So we'll do that probably tomorrow because these need to soak. I prefer to let them soak overnight in water before I plant them. So I hope you learned how to save pea seeds. That's a mouthful, isn't it? And give it a try. You don't just leave them down the vine, out on the ground for a little bit longer. They don't look that pretty. Makes your garden look a little messy and untidy, but it saves you money, and that's the name of the game. Remember, dream big, follow that dream, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.